Before we dive into the tutorial, take a look at these videos. The videos you're seeing on the screen right now were generated using Wan 2.2, a powerful text-to-video AI model running locally inside ComfyUI Desktop. This first scene shows a cinematic drone shot flying over snowy mountains at sunrise, with soft golden sunlight illuminating the mountain peaks. Next, we have a futuristic city skyline at night, with glowing skyscrapers and flying vehicles moving through the sky. Here, we have a futuristic street-level scene where neon lights reflect on wet streets, creating a dramatic cyberpunk atmosphere. All of these videos were generated using simple text prompts with the Wan 2.2 model. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can generate videos like these using your own computer. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore Wan 2.2, one of the latest AI text-to-video models. Instead of creating images like traditional diffusion models, Wan generates multiple frames that form a video. You simply describe a scene using text, and the AI generates a moving video clip based on that description. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to run Wan locally using ComfyUI Desktop. In this video, we will focus specifically on Wan 2.2, which is the lighter and faster version of the Wan models. In my next video, I'll also cover Wan 2.2, which produces even higher quality results. What is Wan 2.2 is a text-to-video diffusion model designed to generate short video clips from text prompts. Instead of generating a single image, the model generates a sequence of frames that create motion. Animated environments, all from a simple text description. When combined with ComfyUI, Wan becomes a powerful tool for generating videos locally. Installing ComfyUI Desktop now, let's move over to ComfyUI Desktop. If you don't have ComfyUI Desktop installed, you can download it from their official website. Open your browser and search for ComfyUI. Click on www.comfy.org, which is the official website. Click Download ComfyUI and select Download for Windows. The setup file will start downloading. Once the download completes, open the exe file and follow the installation instructions. During the first launch, ComfyUI will download some required files and create the environment. Some of these files can be around 2 GB to 5 GB, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once the installation finishes, launch ComfyUI Desktop. Click on Templates on the left side. In the search box, type Wan 2.2, select Wan 2.2 video generation. A pop-up window will appear showing missing models. These are the models required for Wan to generate videos. All of them are essential. Click Download All. I'll speed up this part of the video until the download completes. Once all the required models are downloaded, you'll see the node-based interface. This interface allows you to build AI workflows visually using connected nodes. Let's generate our first AI video. Inside the prompt node, enter a prompt like this. To create a detailed prompt, I will use ChatGPT, but you can use any AI tool. Type something like, create a text-to-video prompt for a futuristic city, including positive and negative prompts. Copy the generated positive and negative prompts and paste them into the Wan 2.2 workflow. Then click Run. Wan 2.2 will now start generating the video. After a few minutes, you will see the output under the Save Video node. Click the play button to preview the generated video. Since I'm running this on a Ryzen 9 9900X3D with an RTX 3090, the generation usually completes within a few minutes. And that's how you generate AI videos using Wan 2.2 inside ComfyUI Desktop. With just a simple text prompt, you can create cinematic video scenes powered entirely by artificial intelligence. In my next video, I'll show you how to run Wan 2.2, which produces even more detailed and cinematic results. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see that. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment below. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.